Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Discord. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Discord and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Discord. And then here you will uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.